In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buttons in Webflow. To get started, open your project in the Webflow Designer. This is where you will build and manage the structure of your page, so make sure you are on the page where you want the button to appear before moving forward. Having the right section open first will make placement much easier and help you avoid having to reposition the button later. Next, go to the Add Elements panel by clicking the plus icon in the top left corner. This panel contains all the building blocks you can add to your page. Under the Basics section, find the button element. Once you see it, click and drag the button onto your canvas, placing it in the section, Container. As you drag, pay attention to the placement guides in Webflow so the button lands exactly where you need it. After placing the button, click on it to select it. Then open the Element Settings panel by clicking the gear icon on the right side. This is where you will control what happens when someone clicks the button. Under Link Settings, choose the destination type that matches your goal. If you want to send visitors to another page in your project, choose Page and select the page you want. If the button should lead to another website, choose URL and paste the web address. If you want the button to jump to a specific part of the current page, choose Section and connect it to that anchor point. You can also choose email or phone to create a clickable mail or call action. If needed, you can also enable the option to open the link in a new tab. This is especially useful for external links, since it allows visitors to keep your site open while viewing another page. Now it's time to customize the text and style of the button. Double-click directly on the button and type a clear, action-oriented label. Good button text should tell people exactly what to do, so keep it short and purposeful. Then open the Style panel using the paintbrush icon on the right. From here, adjust the typography, background color, padding, and corner radius, so the button matches the overall look of your website. Spacing and readability matter here. So make sure the button is easy to notice and comfortable to click. Finally, open the States dropdown in the Style panel and switch to the hover state. This lets you style how the button looks when someone moves their mouse over it. Even a small visual change can make the button feel more interactive and polished. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.